English Learning Channel. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Moral story of the day: The Farmer and Loyal Dog. One evening, a farmer returned home from his farm. He had left his baby asleep in the cradle. His faithful dog was watching over the child. When the farmer reached the room, he saw the baby's cradle turned upside down and blood everywhere. The baby was missing. The farmer understood that a beast had killed his baby. Now he was very sad and upset.
Then he saw that his dog was lying quietly with blood on his mouth and body. The farmer was so angry that he picked up an axe and hit the dog. The poor dog cried out in pain and died.
The farmer now rushed to the turned cradle and lifted it. His little son was perfectly safe and sleeping peacefully. A big, ugly snake lay dead near the cradle. The farmer was shocked. He was happy that his baby was safe, but very sad that his beloved dog was dead.
Now he understood that his dog had fought and killed the snake to save the baby. He realized his mistake.
He had killed his loyal dog without thinking. Sadly, he picked up his baby.
Lesson of this moral story: don't make any decision when you're angry.
Thanks for watching. We shall meet again with new useful lesson. If you have any suggestion related to our channel or English language, please tell us in the comments section.